Number 19 messes with my mind a little bit. So I'm going to talk myself through it as much as I'm talking you through it. Volunteers are needed to do a total of 60 hours of work at a concert. The shortest volunteer shift is 2 hours, and the longest is 3 hours, which inequality shows V, the number of volunteers needed. So let's assume that every volunteer, I'm just going to use V for volunteer, every volunteer works 2 hours. So 60 divided by 2 would be 30. That means that I would need 30 volunteers. If everybody just works 2 hours, we would have to have 30 people to cover the shift. If every volunteer works 3 hours, would I need more or fewer volunteers? 60 divided by 3. If everybody stayed 3 hours, we could get by with just 20 volunteers. So to answer this one, it's going to range from 20 to 30. If everybody works 2 hours, you're going to have 30 people. If everybody would stay an extra hour, you could get by with 20 volunteers. So the number of volunteers will be between those two. So it's going to be less than 30, greater than 20. Could it be exactly 20 or exactly 30? Yes, it could. And therefore, we need that sign. It could be equal, it could be less, but it would be somewhere between those two numbers. Now, I want to call your attention to something right here. Let's look at C. This is never allowed. You can't have your arrows going two different ways. You see how that one's pointing up and this is pointing down? That eliminates it right off the bat. The arrows must go the same way. So A and B are here's another one. Sorry, I didn't even catch that. In A, they're going different ways. You can't have that. The others, you've got them going the same ways, but the question in B, it doesn't allow for people working, it doesn't allow for 20 volunteers or 30. It would have to be 21 to 29. And we know that we could use 20 or 30. D is not the answer because the arrows are going the wrong way. So the one you want is E, as in echo. I don't know why that one messed with me just a little bit. Possibly because I'm tired right now. But it's not an easy one, in my opinion.